Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix front wheel puncture on my Giant Talon 3 mountain bike. So let's roll step by step, easy and clear. Step 1.
Flip the bike.
First, your bike upside down or placed on a bike stand. That makes easy to remove the wheel. Step 2.
Remove the front wheel.
If your bike has a quick release lever, just open and pull. If it has axle bolt, just use Allen key or spanner. Step 3.
Inflate the tire.
If there is still air, just press the valve to release it fully. Because the tire must be soft before the removal. Step 4.
Remove the tire.
Use tire levers to carefully take off one side of the tire from the rim. Don't force, just slide around gently. But actually here I'm not using tire levers because my tires are really loose, so I don't want to use tire levers. I'm just using my hands. Step 5.
Take out the tube.
Now slowly pull the inner tube out and carefully take out the tube from the tire. Step 6.
Check the tube for leak.
Now inflate the tube a little bit and listen or put it in water. Look for bubbles, that's the puncture spot. But here I don't want to put it in water because that's a big puncture and I spot that early. But if you don't able to spot the puncture, write out in water. Step 7.
Mark and dry the leak spot.
Mark the leak and make sure that spot was clean and dry for the next step. Patch it. Step 8.
Patch the tube.
Roughen the whole area with a sandpaper. Then add a thin layer of glue and wait a minute and press the patch firmly. Step 9.
Check the tire inside.
Step, the most important step that most of the pupils forget. Check inside your tire for sharp object, glass, thorns, or maybe dust. Remove anything that causes the puncture. Step 10.
Reinstall the tube.
Put the tube back into the tire. Start by placing the valve into the rim hole and then gently fix the rest. Step 11.
Refit the tire.
Now push back the tire over the rim. Use your hands first, tire levers only if needed, and be gentle. Step 12.
Refit the tire.
Now pump air to the tires to the recommended PSI. It should be labeled on the tires or tube. I mean, not overinflate. Step 13.
Inflate the tire.
Now the front wheel put back into the fork. Now make sure it's aligned straight. Then tighten the quick release or the axle bolt. Step 14.
Mount the wheel back.
Spin the wheel. If it's smooth and tight, you are done. That's how fix a front wheel puncture like a pro. If you got a puncture on your real wheel, the same process, the same video, the same explanations. Just try it out.